Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your phone and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This is the same button you use to create regular videos. At the bottom, swipe to the option that says Live. If you qualify for live streaming, you will see the option appear. I recently created a new account, and I do not have the option to go live. If you also cannot see the live button on your account, the reason is that TikTok only unlocks this feature after you meet certain requirements, which vary in different regions. Some common requirements include that you must be at least 18 years old to use live streaming. If you want to receive gifts while going live, you need to be at least 18. Second, you need at least 1,000 followers on your account. Without 1,000 followers, the live option will not appear on your screen, even if you are the right age. Once you meet these requirements, you will see the live button when you tap the plus icon at the bottom of the app. From there, you can set up your title and start streaming. That is everything you need to know about why the live option is missing and what you need in order to go live on TikTok. Thanks for watching.